Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about the factors determining the capital structure. वो कौन कौन से फैक्टर है जो कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर को डिटरमाइन करने में हेल्प करते हैं. नाउ यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कैपिटल structure. So first factor which is used in determining the capital structure is cash flow position. Cash flow position. A company employ more of the debt securities in its capital structure if company is sure of generating enough cash flow. Whereas if there is shortage of cash, then it must employ more equity in its capital structure, as there is no liability of company to pay its equity shareholders. But we know very well that capital structure comprise of equity and debt. If you have sufficient cash flow, then what will happen? You can have more debt, because if you are raising capital from debt, then you have to pay the interest, and interest can be paid only through cash. But if you are sure that there will be no cash flow, in that case you should raise your capital from the equity. Clear? Second one is interest coverage ratio. So interest coverage ratio is EBIT upon interest. When we divide the earning before interest and tax by interest, it will give ICR. So high ICR means company have more of borrowed fund securities, whereas lower ICR means company has less borrowed securities. Clear? इंटरेस्ट कवरेज रेशियो से ये पता चलता है, यदि ICR हाई है इट मीन्स कंपनी ने ज़्यादा लोन लिया है, मीन्स डेट इज मोर देन इक्विटी, एंड इफ ICR इज लो इट मीन्स डेट इज लेस देन इक्विटी. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन इज रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. इट इज ROI. If ROI is more than rate of interest, don't get confused between return on investment and rate of interest, then company must prefer debt in its capital structure. Whereas if return on investment is less than rate of interest to be paid on debt, then company should avoid debt. In the previous class when I was teaching you numericals, I taught you about this point. Return on investment should be more than rate of interest. And then cost of debt. A firm can arrange borrowed fund at lower rate of interest, then it will prefer more of debt as compared to equity. Clear? It means if you can take loan at lower rate of interest, then it is better to take the loan instead of issuing equity shares. After that, tax rate. We know that high tax rate makes debt cheaper, as interest paid to debt security holder is subtracted from the income before calculating tax. Okay, so if the tax rate is high, then it is better to take loan from the borrowed capital, because whatever interest we are paying, first we will deduct it from our profit before tax. We know that EBIT stands for earning before interest and tax. Then we deduct the interest to get the EBT, earning before tax. So if the rate of interest is if the tax rate is high, then it is better to raise the loan from debt.